Good day, everyone. This is your teacher, Ma'am Adoko, and for our lesson video tutorial today, I will be discussing operations with decimals, and this time I will discuss the multiplication of decimals. Let me give you first the steps in multiplying decimals. Step 1, rewrite this multiplication problem in vertical form. Step 2, multiply the numbers as if they were a whole numbers. Step 3, when the product is obtained, add the decimal places of both factors. And the last step, move the decimal point to the left by the sum of decimal places of the factors. Alright, let me give you an example. 10.002 times 0.01. So we're going to use the steps in multiplying decimals. So step 1, we will rewrite this multiplication problem in vertical form. So 10.002 times 0.01. And don't forget to place the equal sign. And then the second step, we will multiply the numbers as if they were a whole numbers. So we're going to start the last digit of the multiplier, which is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 1 times 0 is 0. So remember this, the students. So any number that is multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So 1 times 0 is 0, and then 1 times 0 is still 0, and then 1 times 1 is equals to 1. And then let's proceed to the first digit, which is 0. So 0 times 2 is 0, and then 0 times 0 is 0, and then the next is 0, and it's still 0, and then 0 times 1 is 0. And then when the product is obtained, we will add the products. Okay, so bring down 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then bring down 0. So when the product is obtained and added, we will add the decimal places of both factors. So the decimal places of 10.002 has 3 decimal places. And then the decimal places of 0.01 has 2 decimal places. So we will add the 3 decimal places and 2 decimal places. So we have 5 decimal places. And then the last step, move the decimal point to the left by the sum of decimal places of the factor. So since we have 5 decimal places, so we will move to the left starting from the last digit, which is 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal point is in between 0 and 1. So our answer for 10.002 times 0.01 is 0.10002. Let me give you another example, guys. 4.73 times 0.123. So the first thing we need to do is to rewrite this multiplication problem in vertical form. 4.73 times 0.123. Then don't forget to place the equal sign. And then we will multiply the numbers as if they were a whole numbers. We start with the last digit, which is 3. 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 3 times 7 is equals to 21. So we put 1 and carry 2 to the next digit. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is equals to 14. And then to the middle digit or the second digit, which is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 7 is 14. Bring down 4 and carry 1 to 4. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then the first digit, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 7 is 7. And then 1 times 4 is 4. And then let's add the products. Okay, so bring down 9. 1 plus 6 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Bring down 1. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. Plus 7 is equals to 18. Bring down 8. Carry 1. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. And then when the product is obtained and added, add the decimal places of both factors. So 4.73 has 2 decimal places and the other factor has 3 decimal places. So we will add 2 plus 3 is 5 decimal places. So move the decimal point to the left by the sum of the decimal places of the factors. So we count 5 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the location of the point is before 5. So point 58179, or if you like, you can add 0. So this is our answer for 4.7073 times 0.123. Thank you for watching our tutorial video today. If you like, you can watch our other tutorial videos in math, in accounting, in our YouTube channel, Bright Minds Classroom. Have a nice day and bye-bye.